Welcome to the world of futuristic vehicles and groundbreaking technology. From robotic innovations to eco-friendly designs, these are the advancements you need to see. Let's dive into 15 incredible inventions shaping our future. Renault EZ-GO. Meet the Renault EZ-GO, a groundbreaking concept in shared urban mobility. This innovative vehicle is designed to transform how we commute in cities. The Renault EZ-GO is an electric, autonomous robo-vehicle that fits perfectly into smart city environments. It's more than just a car, it's a sustainable, multifunctional transport solution that can meet the needs of modern urban living. One of the standout features of the EZ-GO is its futuristic design, which focuses on accessibility. The vehicle comes with a front door and a ramp, making it incredibly easy for everyone to enter, even those with reduced mobility. This inclusive design means that up to 6 passengers can enjoy a comfortable and safe ride. Inside, the Renault EZ-GO feels more like a cocoon than a traditional vehicle. The spacious interior provides a calm and safe environment, perfect for short trips around the city. But that's not all. The vehicle is packed with advanced technology. Augmented reality features and Wi-Fi connectivity help passengers stay connected to city services and enhance their experience on the move. It's a smart vehicle for a smart city. In a world that's rapidly moving towards sustainability, the Renault EZ-GO stands out. It redefines urban travel by making it more eco-friendly, connected, and user-friendly. The future of commuting is here with the Renault EZ-GO. Corvette 2022 Concept. The Corvette 2022 concept was unveiled by Chevrolet, showcasing a bold new direction for this iconic sports car. This concept features an evolutionary design that prioritizes aerodynamic efficiency. Its sleek, low-slung body and aggressive lines enhance both style and performance. At the front, a modernized grille and sharp LED headlights give the car a futuristic look. Under the hood, the 2022 Corvette concept is expected to be powered by a high-performance V8 engine. There is potential for hybrid technology to further boost both power and efficiency. Inside, luxury meets technology. The cabin features premium materials and a driver-centric cockpit. The latest infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display for easy access to features. Advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, are integrated into the concept, enhancing safety and providing semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Finally, the suspension and chassis are designed for superior handling and performance, continuing the Corvette's legacy of excellence. EngineAI SE01. A Chinese startup, EngineAI, is making waves in the robotics industry, challenging even giants like Tesla. While Tesla's Optimus robots may not hit the market until 2026, EngineAI has ambitious plans to get ahead. Their humanoid robot, the SE01, is set to launch by 2025, with over 1,000 units expected to be sold. This robot is designed to walk like a human, reaching speeds of up to 2 meters per second. It's powered by electricity, with a full charge lasting 2 hours. For added convenience, the SE01 features a quick battery swap option, ensuring minimal downtime. What powers this advanced robot? It's equipped with processors from NVIDIA and Intel. Additionally, the SE01 utilizes AI prompts, making it smarter and more efficient in its operations. Priced at $500,000, the SE01 represents a major step forward in humanoid robotics. EngineAI is paving the way for a future where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives. Are you ready to witness this revolution in robotics? Best Tug Helicopter Landing Pad. The Best Tug Helicopter Landing Pad is the most advanced, safe, and powerful landing pad ever created. Here's why it stands out. The P15W can support a load of up to 4.5 tons, making it suitable for a wide range of helicopters. It provides a spacious platform measuring 4.6 by 4.6 meters, offering ample room for safe landings. What makes it unique is its ability to raise and lower its sides. This patented system ensures the helicopter remains stable during landing and takeoff. Even in rough conditions, the sides can adjust the helicopter's position, preventing the risk of tipping over. The landing pad is packed with high-tech features. It has its own processor, an all-wheel drive articulated design, and traction control. It also includes a fuel reserve, adding convenience for refueling needs. One of its standout capabilities is its ability to function even on snow-covered ground, ensuring reliability in various weather conditions. With these advanced features, the Best Tug Helicopter Landing Pad redefines safety and efficiency for helicopter operations. Festo Bionic Ants. The Festo Bionic Ants are robotic creations that look and behave just like real ants. Their standout feature is their ability to work together. This collaboration allows them to tackle complex tasks that would be impossible for a single robot. These robotic ants use optical sensors and wireless communication to coordinate their movements and interact with each other. This teamwork is a breakthrough in robotics, showcasing the potential for synchronized automation. Each ant is built with laser-sintered metal components. These components not only perform electrical functions but also add to the ant's sleek and futuristic design. Their piezoceramic components enable agile and rapid leg movements, making their actions precise and lifelike. Powering the ants are rechargeable batteries, ensuring consistent performance during operation. These tiny marvels are more than just robots, they're prototypes for the future of manufacturing and automation. However, this level of innovation comes at a cost. The materials, manufacturing, and research for a single bionic ant are estimated at around $10,000. Despite the price, they represent a significant step forward in robotics and engineering. The Festo Bionic Ants are a glimpse into the future, where collaboration between machines could revolutionize industries. Kamaz Yupiter. The Kamaz Yupiter is a revolutionary dump truck that has undergone continuous improvements. Last year, it was showcased at the Interprom Kazakhstan Industrial Exhibition, catching everyone's attention. So, what makes it stand out? First, its impressive 30-ton payload capacity is a major highlight. But that's not all, it's an unmanned vehicle, meaning there's no cab for a driver. Instead, the truck operates autonomously, relying on data from a network of sensors, radars, antennas, and cameras. The truck's maneuverability is also remarkable. Both axles can pivot, giving it excellent control in tight spaces. Each axle is equipped with its own traction motor, enhancing its performance. Powering the Jupiter is an inline 6-cylinder diesel engine, designed to handle heavy-duty tasks. Its top speed is limited to 56 km per hour, ensuring safety and efficiency during operation. It's worth noting that the Jupiter 30 is the first model in its series. With this strong foundation, we might see even more advanced versions in the future. Kenworth T680. The Kenworth T680 is one of the most advanced long-haul trucks available today. It's designed to deliver exceptional performance, efficiency, and innovation. One of its key highlights is its aerodynamic design, which helps drivers save up to 7% on fuel costs compared to similar models. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses looking to reduce expenses over time. A standout feature of the T680 is its digital mirrors. These replace traditional side mirrors, improving visibility and reducing drag. This forward-thinking design enhances both safety and fuel efficiency. The truck offers a variety of engine options, ranging from 355 to 510 horsepower. All engines are managed by the Truck Tech Plus control system, which is a game-changer for fleet owners. This system provides real-time updates about maintenance, potential breakdowns, and other critical information, keeping operations running smoothly. Inside the cab, the T680 includes a 15-inch customizable display. Drivers can personalize it to show the most important data, such as navigation, performance stats, or diagnostics. With its cutting-edge features and efficient design, the Kenworth T680 is a true innovation in the world of long-haul trucking. Invisible Sheet 2.0. Introducing the Invisible Shield 2.0. This cutting-edge technology from the UK uses precision-engineered lenses to redirect light, making anything behind it invisible. It's compact, collapsible, and available in 3 sizes. The largest version, called the Mega Shield, can conceal multiple people at once. Each unit is waterproof, battery-free, and made from 100% recyclable materials. You can pre-order these innovative shields on Kickstarter, starting at just around $69. This isn't just a fun gadget, it's a glimpse into the future. Imagine having a real working invisibility shield that you can roll up and carry with you. Step into the future with the Invisible Shield 2.0. Snowboard Bike. Do you love snowboarding and find yourself daydreaming about those thrilling winter rides during the hot summer months? The Snowboard Bike promises to bring you a similar experience, no matter the season. The standout feature of this design is its two independent handlebars. These allow riders to perform impressive stunts that feel just like winter sports. Unlike a traditional bike, you sit sideways on the snowboard bike. The front wheel is controlled with your right hand, while the rear wheel is managed with your left hand. For safety, the bike comes with rim brakes. These are suitable since it's not designed for high speeds. This makes it ideal for practicing tricks or just enjoying a leisurely ride. The manufacturer has tested several versions of the design, even creating an unusual scooter inspired by the concept. He believes the snowboard bike is the first true reinvention of the bicycle in over 200 years. This innovative idea has gained international attention. Media outlets from countries like the Netherlands, France, Japan, and Australia have written about it. The designer's website even showcases articles highlighting this groundbreaking creation. The snowboard bike is more than just a bike. It's a fresh way to experience the thrill of snowboarding, no matter the weather. GIGA Mattress and Tent, perfect for your next adventure. Now that everything is set up for a dance marathon, cozy movie night, or any fun activity, you might be wondering where your friends can crash. No problem. Just unfold the GIGA tent, press a button, and watch it inflate in just 3 minutes. With 4.8 square meters of space, this tent comfortably fits 2 adults and 2 kids, if needed. It's spacious and perfect for any occasion. The tent comes with a built-in pump, powered by a 2000 mAh battery, allowing you to inflate it up to 30 times on a single charge. But that's not all. To ensure a comfortable night's sleep, GIGA also offers a mattress with its own built-in pump. This mattress inflates in just 1 minute and can support up to 300 kilograms. Together, the GIGA tent and mattress provide the ultimate comfort, all for just $200. Perfect for your next adventure or backyard hangout. Elonroad Electric Road System. Elonroad is an advanced electric road concept that revolutionizes how we charge electric vehicles. It allows vehicles to charge automatically while parked and even while driving. This innovation extends driving range, reducing the need for large and heavy batteries. The goal of Elonroad is to electrify the entire transport sector, aiming to eliminate the use of fossil fuels. By tapping into clean energy from the sun, wind, and sea, this system contributes to a greener future. It's part of a growing infrastructure that will be accessible to everyone. As self-driving vehicles become more common, and shared mobility options expand, CO2 emissions will drop significantly. At the heart of Elonroad is a conductive rail installed on the road surface. Vehicles equipped with a conductive pickup connect to the rail through sliding contacts. The rail is only active when covered by a vehicle, ensuring safety, especially in urban areas. Terra Glide, a revolutionary electric recumbent tricycle. The Terra Glide is an innovative electric recumbent tricycle designed by AJ Protec, offering a fresh way to enjoy cycling. Its steer-by-wire technology makes handling smooth and effortless, while the pedal generator allows you to get exercise without putting in a lot of physical effort. Completely electric, the Terra Glide ensures a quiet, efficient, and comfortable ride, making it perfect for both leisurely outings and more active adventures. What makes the Terra Glide stand out is its commitment to sustainability. By running on clean energy, it helps reduce your carbon footprint while still offering a fun and engaging ride. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, it combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, making it ideal for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're new to cycling or a seasoned rider, the Terra Glide is set to change the way we think about biking, offering a sustainable, practical, and enjoyable alternative for everyone. Electrum LEV eBike, redefining electric mobility. The Electrum LEV is an innovative e-bike that pushes personal electric mobility to the next level. Its dual-hub motor system gives it the power to climb hills and accelerate quickly. One motor focuses on regenerative braking and high-speed efficiency, while the other boosts acceleration. The unique generator chain drive acts like an automatic transmission, adjusting the effort needed to pedal. This makes riding easier, without the need to manually shift gears. Instead, the Electrum LEV offers a throttle, brakes, and a turn signal system for a seamless experience. With a 17-inch standover height and a swing-away front fairing, it's easy to get on and off the bike. Plus, for just around 30 cents per kilowatt-hour, you can travel up to 200 kilometers on a single charge. The Electrum LEV kit is priced at approximately $10,000, with an additional $3,000 for the frame, fork, and steering assembly.